So today we are off on a hunt for mackerel.
Yeah, because apparently there's none anywhere. There's none in the sea.
There's none in the sea.
So we're going to try and find the elusive mackerel.
So it is 1 week to go until I go down to Portsmouth for the Sea Angle and Classic with the Crusader All Ladies team. And I'm panicking now because everyone down there is saying they're not really catching any mackerel and we need it for our bait. So I said, let's see if we can go and catch some lovely Welsh mackerel.
Bit bumpy. Any fish yet?
There is still no mackerel. We've already tried one mark. No fish there. So we're just sort of driving around and using the fish finder on the Deganwy Marina to see if we can hunt them down. It's not working so far.
Got whiting, yeah. Quite the wrong species we're after, but got whiting, so watch him go. Ready?
Still no mackerel. Fish on?
Yeah.
Please be a mackerel.
Yeah, it's a whiting.
Whiting. Oh, got one. Yeah, sit there. You can just tell the whiting because they just don't bite as much as mackerel do.
No, they don't give you as much of a feeling. I'm trying to like look what the chat sonar's telling us.
See if you can see what they look like.
Yeah.
The thing is, today is the only day we've got to come out to catch mackerel for next week because the weather turns really bad. So
Yeah, here in a few days, yeah, well.
and down south,
Yeah.
so no one's going to be able to get out to go and get mackerel.
We've got all night, haven't we? There's some miles up in the sky.
We cannot go in tonight until we've got mackerel, but we also need to be in before the marina gate shuts at 10 to 9.
Let's have a chill on it, relax.
Oh, another whiting.
It's a bit calm around here as well, because like wind direction, we're now covered by the Great Orme.
And the sea's a lot calmer around here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I think I've got another white one.
Probably mine, like next to each other.
I know, I've got a fish on. You got it.
Do your fishing.
Do you let me whiting? Let's see.
Might not be. Could be a shark. Oh, I've got.
Could be nothing. Think I had him and he fell off.
Yeah, I think I had one. None of it fell off. Are we moving?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where have all of the mackerel gone? So this is Llandudno Pier. We've now been out for 3 hours, loads of whiting, but no mackerel. And there's a big rain cloud over there, coming our way.
I was just about to say, and the weather's shit. But it's fun. But it's sort of like a proper wave over the bow on the way round. It's made me a bit happier. I quite like it when it's bumpy like. The castle up there. You're looking at us now thinking, idiots. Fish are the fish are looking at us now and thinking, idiots. We're over here.
Oh, didn't realise mackerel fishing was going to be so hard.
Sailboaters are loving it.
Free fuel!
This is good, this.
I feel like I'm surfing.
Like a cork, aren't we, at the moment?
So
Just-
next,
Yeah.
I want to go over there.
We'll go over there.
Oh, it's raining there at the minute, so we'll give it a second. So, does having your engines on scare the fish away? I
I'm
honestly,
not a fish, and I don't know anybody who is a fish, so.
what do you think?
Bear in mind, we have been fishing without the engine on, but just where it's been here, pretty close proximity to up there.
That big rock?
It's good time to have your engine on, especially when you're being knocked around and stuff. You never know. You never know. Another thing we've been discussing is, do fish go on holiday? It is that time of year, isn't it? They might come here, I suppose.
Oh my god, right, watch out. Okay.
So you want to stay here, yeah?
Yeah, let's go.
Why don't we anchor up and stay the night here? Right, we all set, we're going to move.
Yeah.
Okay. As the sea calms calm down, or is the speed helping?
Yeah, well, it's always worse at that point, isn't it?
Yeah.
Found a new few couple of trips.
Is that window?
Four hours into the mackerel hunt. Still not one mackerel to be seen.
And we caught 20 whiting.
Big rolly sea. Woo. Mackerel! Woohoo!
There you go. It's a mackerel. Do you want me to get them off?
Yes! Mackerel! Yes! Gonna get the rods back in the water! Ah, bloody whitings! Don't want whitings, we want mackerel. We're like 4 hours into fishing now.
Fishing out.
It's not a good ratio for the fuel burn, is it, for mackerel? We come out to collect bait, so it saves us money and it works out cheaper than buying them from the bait shop if you can catch them yourself. But when you calculate the fuel that we've used for the past 4 hours, that's probably worked out to about 30 quid a mackerel. Oh,
You had fun though.
the world's most expensive mackerel. Yeah, I have had fun.
I'm going to start heading back towards base. Yeah, power! Only if you're comfortable like this. Now doing a flat hour run. 28.6, 28.7 knots she's doing, crazy. Speed's now, we're punching against the tide now, so. In fact, you did 29.3. crazy.
I've got to stick to 10 knots now at the speed limit.
We're doing 11.
I haven't got there yet. So this is the first time that me and Simon have actually been out on the boat on our own. And it went well. So obviously the thing that we're a bit apprehensive about now is coming back into the marina, because usually we have someone to do the back line, someone to do the front line. Obviously Simon can't leave the helm. He needs to make sure the boat goes parked and stuff. So we're just working out now what we need to do. So
it's not dead calm over. There is a bit of wind and a tiny bit of wind.
So what my plan is to secure the back line without getting off the boat, and then what I've done is I've put my bow line here so I can literally step off the boat, grab the bow line and pull the front in. So that's the plan. Elvis has come to inspect the lines. Are you satisfied, sir? Yeah. So that's the thing about boat people. They're so helpful. You know, as soon as we sort of pulled up, the guy in the boat next door but one, he was like doing his hands with your lines. We were like, no, we're okay. And then Steve from next door came out and he helped us. So
the only reason Steve come out from next door because he was scared of us crashing into his boat.
So, you know, people that I think that's the main thing about boat and what people worry about, isn't it? You know, sort of mooring up and, you know, getting out and getting in.
I know, I kind of fluffed it. I kind of turned a bit too late. And I get a bit sort of like, cameras and people asking for, we usually do it on our own, but what I did, I got a bit out of shape, so pulled out, corrected myself and come back in. So.
Yeah, I think the main thing when you are mooring your boat is just slow and steady.
Yeah.
And, you know, everyone feels the same, I think, when they're coming in to moor the boat up, don't they? Yeah. Everyone gets nervous and gets jitters.
We're still quite new at this, so every time you do anything like this, you're like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
But that's the thing about boat people, they will always help you out. And we do it, you know, we see someone coming in and we go, can we help you with your lines? Just makes life a bit easier, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So
especially Deganwy.
Yeah, the people in Deganwy are absolutely fabulous. All the staff, all the berth holders, so we absolutely love it here. So, the bonus about not catching many fish,
no clean-up.
There's not much to clean up today.
No, which is good.
Apart from all the stuff down front when it got a bit choppy earlier on.
A bit bumpy earlier.
Well, that was good timing getting back because it's just started raining.
Yes.
Right, if you know where the mackerel are, can you please let us know?
Yeah. It's not just up here, is it? Everybody's struggling to catch mackerel, so did they go into deeper water? Have
they gone on holiday?
Might have been a holiday. I don't know.
So I've got 4 mackerel to take down with me for the Sea Angling Classic next week. At least it's 1 for each girl on the team.
Yeah, there you go. 20 miles today.
So far this month, we've done 214 miles in the boat. Just this month. So it gets well used, doesn't it?
Yeah, it is.
It is a good machine.
I like to say use and abuse. We don't abuse it, but we do. It definitely gets used, doesn't it?
Well, she went through some weather then.
Yeah,
some big waves.
That was quite. Yeah.
We found some new leaks.
It wasn't really leaks. It was sort of the water. Yeah, around the big windows. They're massive, big. Imagine the buckets of water. But actually, I did actually notice the little catches weren't done.
Ah.
So I did the catches up. Then it improved a lot since then.
I think every time you got a boat, you find
you learn a bit,
little extra things that you need to sort of work on, don't you?
Yeah.
But there you go. That was a good trip. Well, it was a nice day out, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was good. Good fun.
And it's always nice to be on the water.
Of course.
So come back next time to see how me and the girls get on at the Sea Angle Classic. So we are doing this for Cancer Research UK. So I will leave a comment in the description if you do want to make any contribution or donation towards Cancer Research.
Yeah, have you told these guys about the life jackets they can get?
You all love my life jacket. So the Crusader limited edition pink life jacket are for breast cancer research, and 100% of the donation you make goes to cancer research. But if you donate £100 or over, you get a free life jacket. There is a very limited amount of these, so if you want to support breast cancer and also get yourself a snazzy pink life jacket, I'll drop a link in the description. But you don't have to get a pink life jacket or donate that much money. You know, a couple of quid really will make the difference. So the target is £15,000.
Is that what the target is?
And so far we've raised over 5,000. So help us get to the target and help us support cancer research. So come back next time and see how we get on.
Fingers crossed there for the girls.
See you all next time.
Guys.
Bye.
See you, bye.